I'm going to change the gear cable on this rear selector, and it's something I'm going to show you because it took some doing to work out how to do it. It's quite tricky. Take off this one cover first, and that is clamped into place with it, so you've got to take that off as well. Now the cable actually comes through the back here, and it's quite difficult to get to, but this is where you've got to start, from this point here. That should be the same as the new one. Much nicer cables. Feels beautiful. But yeah, exactly the same one. That's good. Right, so we're starting in here. Tricky, but once it's through there, quite easy. Okay, pull that all the way through to the end. There is no adjustment on this, you just want it right the way through. That's it, until this bit's done. Now, then you can start fitting your covers on. I don't know what covers you've got in yours, so it may all be different, I don't know. But if you just copy what you had, so I'll put this cover on, and then from there I want a couple of discs on it, which are cleaner discs. They just move up and down with the use, just to help keep it clean before it goes on to the next one. See, in the kit you get all the little rubbers and the ends. I mean, packs of three stuck together at a time, and that's what you want, them three. So put them on and then break them. That way you only have one to put on. On like that, up to there, and they'll then split into three separate silica sleeves. And then we've got the next one. Now I've pumped some silica oil through this, lubricant through these first. That's the dry silica, because obviously you don't want oil, heavy oil into these, because it attracts dust. And if you've got something attracting dust, it's going to get clogged up. Right, and again down there, I want another. I think now we'll just put two. Everything's in sets of three. No, I'll put three on. Everything's in sets of three. I'll put three on. I want long enough for the brakes and all. I've got enough here to do many other brakes later and gears if I want to in the future. But I'm going to put as much as I need on this one, regardless of what is left. And then he's going through the last one. Come all the way out. It goes back into its socket there, and then it goes into the gear selector point down here, pushing it all the way through and taking that in there as well. So push that into there, get everything nice and tight, everything tight there, everything up there. Now selectors, the adjusters want to be right off, so wind them right into the minimum. That way then, you're not going to hold it tight enough to be able to adjust it. So once you've done it, then you can adjust a little bit to give it some more out. Now this then goes into this knuckle up here. That should be okay now. Yeah, good. Right, now we can cut that off and put one of these little end caps on, which stops it freeing and stops it sticking into your leg. onto here. So don't need much. Like that. Don't want it to splay out before you get into here. There, that's it. Now, don't let any of these. Try with the red one first and see how it goes. No. Yeah, I've done it. Yeah. Right, so that is the gears sorted out. Right, I'm going to do the same now with the front and back brakes. Because I can, because I've got it, because I might as well.